Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I will show you how to download your logo with transparent background in Canva. First of all, head on to canva.com and make your logo. Over here you can see, here is one of my logo in Canva. Then to download this with transparent background, first of all click here to share. Then over here you can find download. Click on download. Then choose your file type as PNG. In my case it is already suggested. Click on PNG, then check this bottom as transparent background. Then hit on download. Your download will start automatically. In this way, you can download your logo in Canva. But this option is available only for Canva Pro users. If you don't have Canva Pro SS, head over to I button and you'll find the video to get your Canva Pro for free. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.